News Update.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN Tuesday morning, 9 a.m. Eastern Time. We got 30 minutes to go until the start of trading, and right now you're looking at a market pretty tame to kick things off. S&P's flat within 1 point of the close of yesterday. Pretty tame overnight session. You look where we were. We accelerate higher into the close yesterday. We got record highs in the S&P and tech stocks. NASDAQ 100. S&P sitting right where we were. Actually ticked just above that level at about 7 a.m. this morning, 42.83. NASDAQ 100 backing off a bit. We got to 14,519 yesterday. Quite the acceleration across the board. You had the FANG stocks trading higher yesterday. Interest rates were back below, 1.5%. We got the yield right now in the 10-year exactly at 1.5%. NASDAQ 100 down 0.2% right now at 14,486. You got the Dow trading higher, up by about 93 points, 34,257. The Russell positive by a few points this morning. Bitcoin holding on to some of the gains that it's had off of the lows that it had last week. You got Bitcoin up $1,300 on the session. Actually, just touched 36,000 for Bitcoin. Crude continuing to accelerate higher after quite the pullback to start things off for the week. We trade from 74.45. Things really accelerate at about 9 a.m. yesterday to lower prices. We got below $72 early this morning, and just like that, we're back to 73.32 in crude. We got the gold contract really trading lower just in the last half hour. Look at this acceleration of growth from 17.75. We're trading at 17.53 right now, down $27 in the gold. And I'm just going to jump around to the euro US dollar real quick. Yeah, you have some dollar strength, some euro weakness going on. We got the euro down about, I was going to say 3 pennies. Now, we were at about 119. We're trading at 118.84 in the euro. And back to notes and bonds this morning. The 10-year negative by 5 ticks, rising a little bit. You see the decline in terms of Friday. We make it up to 132.10 yesterday. Middle of the day, we're trading 132.03 right now. As I mentioned, the yield on the 10-year at about 1.5%. And yeah, quite the acceleration on gold right now. As you're down about $26, 17.54. You put gold on a daily. The highs back in August 2089, quite an acceleration up to a price point of about 1920. We had been holding that 618 retracement. You now got gold below any of the lows that we had going back to June 18th. You put it on a 20-day hourly, and you see eclipsing those lows just in the last half hour. All right, folks, stay tuned. We come back for the program live programming all day at TFNN. We'll be right back in 3 minutes. Stay tuned.